In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop Nordvpn from opening on startup. This process is simple and helps you streamline your computer's startup routine by freeing up additional resources, making your PC faster and more efficient right from the get-go. So, let's dive in. To begin, you'll want to open the Nordvpn application on your computer. If you haven't pinned it to your taskbar, you can easily find it by clicking on your Start menu and typing Nordvpn into the search bar. Once the app is open, you should see it on your screen. It's always nice to take a moment here because sometimes just finding an app in our jam-packed home screens can feel like half the battle. Next, direct your attention to the left panel of the Nordvpn app. At the very bottom, you'll see a gear icon, which is synonymous with settings in most applications. Clicking this will lead you to the settings menu, a vital part of customizing and controlling how the app functions on your computer. In the settings menu, you'll need to navigate to the section labeled General. This is where we get into the nitty-gritty of app preferences. The general settings are your go-to option for adjusting how the NordVPN app behaves under typical circumstances, including how it starts up with your system. Once you're in the general settings, the next step is to look for an option that says Launch the app on Windows Startup. This option is usually accompanied by a toggle switch. This setting is why NordVPN is automatically popping open whenever you start your computer. Auto launch features like this can be convenient in certain applications, but for something like a VPN service, you may prefer to decide when you want it to run. Now, to prevent the app from launching at startup, all you have to do is toggle this switch off. Ensure that the toggle is set to the off position. It might sound simple, but this single action ensures that NordVPN does not automatically open and connect each time you start your computer. Remember to make sure that this change is saved, but most apps will automatically save settings for you as soon as you make the change. And just like that, you're done. With these few steps, you have now configured NordVPN to stay closed during startup, giving you control over when you want to activate it. This small change can make your startup process quicker and give your system more free resources to work with. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. Remember, adjusting your app settings to suit your personal needs is a powerful way to enhance your overall user experience. Until next time, take care and enjoy a smoother startup on your PC.